Dudez Love, I have a new video for you, and this video is going to be a unboxing haul of all of the other random stuff that I have bought over quarantine. If you don't know who I am, hi, my name is Love. I would love if you would stick around and subscribe down below, follow my social media, and join the Dude fam over here. Sorry for the noise of my fan right here, if you can hear it or not. But we're going to go ahead and get right into this video. So I bought a little bit of stuff from a bunch of random places. First place being American Eagle. I had a $15 rewards coupon because you guys know that's my store. I shop there like crazy. So I really just needed a pair of khakis for work. So I bought these khakis. These were on clearance for $14.99. So I couldn't use my $15 rewards because I needed 1 more cent. So then I ended up getting more no-show socks because these were on sale for $3.88. I only paid $2.82 for these 2 items. So these are just regular pair of khakis from them. These are called the Curvy High Rise Skinny Super Stretch. I got these in a long because I want them to stop right at the end of my ankle. The regular size stops a little bit above it, so I just decided to go with the long. Now moving on into Amazon, I have 2 packages. This is the first one, if it will be my friend and open. There you go. There's another package in a package. We love that. I think this is my Apple pencil cover because my pencil be flying around all the time and I just got annoyed of that. There's something else in here. I got annoyed of that, so I decided to get this. This is just telling us if we're happy or not with what we got, and this is what it looks like. It doesn't say anything on it. I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up. And yeah, so there's 2 tips that come with it, and then this is the actual cover that goes on the pencil. So I don't know if you can actually write with these tips on. This is what they look like. I just got the black one. I know my pencil is engraved and this only keeps like a little open space for the word that says pencil. I don't really care. I just want the protection at this point. Alright, for the next package I'm going to need some scissors to open this up. And this, I know what they all are because obviously I ordered them. I have been planning to buy these for a while just because I really wanted them. And also, it's another way for me to like get ahead of the game. So next semester I'm taking organic chemistry, and to help me prepare for that, I went ahead and bought Organic Chemistry 1 for Dummies. I expected this book to be a little bit bigger, I'm not gonna lie, but I love that it's smaller. This is almost the same size as my iPad, which is really great. I can use this to take notes on organic chemistry. I don't know how far I need to read into this. I'm gonna try and get through the whole thing before I have to take organic chemistry in the fall. So when I am done my summer 1 classes, which ends July 1st, I'm going to start reading this and taking notes and, like, you know, searching little videos and tips. There's a lot of definitions in the back. There's like references to the molecules. They also have a workbook, but I did not buy that. I'm just gonna read this as a textbook and see if I can understand what the hell it's talking about. And the next thing I got is because of TikTok coffee. I bought a milk frother because I am tired of whipping it on my own, and we don't have a like cake mixer or, like, you know, the mixers you use for baking. So I just decided to get a milk frother, and I am excited for this because whipping the coffee yourself, it literally just takes years to do. I don't appreciate it. This is battery operated. Yeah, it takes 1 AA battery, and you literally have the little frother part at the bottom, and you just push this down and whisk it. I saw several people actually use this for their whipped coffee, and it turned out the same exact way. It has its own little stand and everything, which is perfect because I will be definitely using that. I'm gonna try and clean up as we go so that my room doesn't look like a gigantic mess by the end of this video. Next place I got some stuff from is Target, because Target just has bomb-ass sales, and also I just needed to pick up a few things, so I decided to include it in this haul. First thing I've been wanting for so long, I have been looking for black fur slides, and I know they have some from Steve Madden and Madden Girl or wherever. I have searched all across the board. I've searched Amazon. I'm not comfortable paying $34, $35, $20 whatever dollars for a pair of shoes I don't know are gonna last me a long time. I've seen several people with the ones from Puma, but they don't have those anymore. I went and checked and they're gone. The Fenty ones are gone. So I decided to settle for a different pair of slides that were not fur slides anymore, just because I really needed a new one. So Target was having buy one get one free. And yes, buy one get one free on their sandals. So these were originally $17.99, $18 for these. These are super cute. I've already been wearing them a ton. You can already see like the logos coming off. $17.99 for these. And I got these ones for free. These are the little knockoff white Birkenstocks. I was like, I'm not gonna pay $45 for a pair of plastic shoes, so I just got them from Target for free. And on top of that, I had a bunch of coupons, and they let you do this thing where if you wait to get your package, they take $1 off your order. So in total, for these two shoes, I only paid $15. That's a pretty good deal to me. I have this big Target box over here that you cannot actually see, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up. There's a lot of stuff in this one. Well, not a lot. It's only 4 items. That's not a lot. But this I'm also super excited for, just because I wanted some extra stuff for my bed and for personal use in general. So I got it. First thing I see right off the bat is this Sally Hansen Wax Extra Strength All Over Body Waxing Kit. This is a Brazilian formula that removes hard to remove hair. Small wax grabs hair knots, whatever. So yeah, this is like not the waxing strips. I have tried the waxing strips from them. They work half of the time. This is like the one that you actually like microwave and put, like they come with the little, you know, the sticks and everything, the oil for after use, and it even has like the waxing actual strips in there. But like this is the one where you actually have to microwave it and it turns into regular wax, and you just use it, you wax, and you're good to go. So I am excited to use this because I'm tired of shaving. It takes too long. If I can wax and it's all the same result at the end, we're good. Next thing I got is a giant body pillow. I love Target's body pillows. Y'all know I have one from college. Ooh, I just shook the camera. I have one for college that I use to sleep with every single night, and I freaking love the pillow, but I packed it away because it's with my college stuff. So I needed a new thing, and I got one for my at-home bed. And then I also bought 2 pillowcases that come with it. It didn't come with it actually. These were both separate. They were each $10, but Target was having a 10% off coupon for all bedding, so got 10% off the pillowcases and the pillow. So this is a striped pillow, and then this is just a plain gray pillowcase. I'm probably gonna use the striped one, even though none of these grays really match my bed at all. I thought they would, but oh well. I'm probably gonna use the striped one because I have another striped pillow on my bed that I think this will match well. And last but not least, I needed an arts and craft thing to do, so I bought some craft yarn. This is not what I expected, honestly. I'm kind of taken back. I hope it's still like the same. Let's open it. Why am I saying I hope? Let's open and find out what it looks like on the inside. Okay, it's not opening how I would expect it to open. I'm gonna cut a corner. Okay. So, yeah, it's just a bunch of yarn that I can use to like make little bracelets and stuff. Let me just check that there's nothing else in there. Oh, they even give you needles to do like embroidering. That's super cute. Maybe I'll like do a DIY on embroidering. But yeah, there's just all of these different colors that I can use to make bracelets. I just was bored and I have one on right now that I made previously in the year, and I just wanted to make some more just to have something to do so I don't sit in quarantine bored forever. But that is the end of this unboxing haul. I did another one on my channel previously, so if you haven't seen that yet, I'll have that linked on the screen. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have not already, leave me some comments down below, video requests that you guys want to see from me. Also, do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. I love you guys all so very much. Peace, dudes.